everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to experience a blast from the past. We'll be using Windows 93 right here in 2024. It's a fun way to see what a version of Windows from 30 years ago could look like, right from your browser. So, here we are on Google.com. Nowadays, we're all used to Windows versions like Windows 7, XP, Vista, 10, or even the latest Windows 11. But today, let's take a step back in time and load up Windows 93. All you need to do is type Windows 93 in the Google search bar and hit enter. You'll see a link to windows93.net. Just click on it, and voila! Windows 93 loads up right in your browser. You can click around, explore the old school apps, and even play some hilarious games. It's a fun experience, especially if you're feeling nostalgic or just curious about what an unofficial version of Windows from the 90s might have looked like. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, be sure to give it a like, subscribe for more fun tech tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.